So welcome to Imperial Gardens Cup Break number 18, the random team style. So we're going to do the randomizer for all the names and all the teams 3 times each. So we'll do the names first. So this is everybody in the break. So 3 times here. So 1, 2, 3. We got Fred Potvin on top. And we got Super Clint on the bottom. Copy. Whenever it finishes pasting. Okay, then I'll upsize it afterwards. And now we got the randomizer for the 26 teams in the break. So 3 times here. So 1, 2, 3. So we got Tampa Bay Lightning on top and Pittsburgh Penguins on the bottom. Copy. Paste them. Full size this for everybody. Okay, so Fred Potvin has the Tampa Bay Lightning, i.e. Matt W2 has the Capitals, O2 Snake has the Edmonton Oilers, Card Freak 333 has the Maple Leaf, O2 Snake has the Stars, Cav has the Flames, Cav also has the Islanders, Mr. Wrestler 74 has the Sabres, O2 Snake has the Sharks, Mr. Wrestler 74 has the Hurricanes, Super Clint has the Ducks, Cav has the New York Rangers, Mr. Wrestler 74 has the Blackhawks, Cav has the Boston Bruins, Mr. Wrestler 74 has the Ottawa Senators, R. Harlick has the Montreal Canadiens, 780 Esper has the Kings, Dennis has the Nashville Predators, A. Carter 88 has the Columbus Blue Jackets, 780 Esper has New Jersey Devils, Card Freak 333 has the Vancouver Canucks, Bender 2027 has the Winnipeg Jets, Mr. Wrestler 74 has the Red Wings, 780 Esper has the Flyers, R. Harlick has the Colorado Avalanche, and Super Clint has the Pittsburgh Penguins. So 5 minutes for trading. I'll post